What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a bit more of a sit down talk type video where I'm going to be giving you guys my thoughts and opinions on the current crypto market. Okay, now a lot of you guys know from as long as I can remember, when I started doing YouTube videos, I wasn't really doing crypto. I was doing a bit of stocks, real estate, mindset, entrepreneurship, business related content. And then it wasn't until earlier this year that I shifted all my focus into making crypto videos. Now, obviously, the time I got into crypto was when we were just, I would say, midway through the bull run, and obviously now we are in a bear market. And I know some people are gonna be like, "Oh, what do you mean we're in a bear market?" Da, 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 da. But guys, I'm gonna explain everything. I'm gonna give you guys my thoughts, my predictions, and pretty much just talk about what is really going on. Okay, so let's get into it, guys. Before we do start, I do want to say, if you're new around here, make sure you subscribe. I think you guys are gonna love my crypto content, and as well as some stock market videos that I'll be posting. In fact, today I think I spent like around 3K on stocks. So again, I am invested heavily into stocks and crypto. And again, on this channel, I'll be sharing my thoughts. So let's get right into this. So first off, I want to start off by talking about this, guys. So here is Bitcoin. And actually, in fact, I haven't showed you guys this in a while, but how do you guys like my physical Bitcoin? It's cool, right? Is it gonna focus? Focus. There we go. It's Bitcoin. But guys, when we look at Bitcoin, okay, Bitcoin has dropped 50% since its all-time high in in May, right? So in April. Or is this April? Yeah, in April. And if you're gonna sit here and tell me that that is not a bear market after a 50% drop, you are either one, delusional, or two, very new to investing. Now, when I say investing, I don't mean trading. I don't mean buying something for a week and then selling it, and I don't mean being emotional and talking about hodling and diamond hands and all the memes are cool, but I mean like genuinely being a long-term investor. It's quite foolish to say that this is not a bear market. Now, is this a bear market that is going to continue over a vast period of time? Like previously we saw bear markets last a couple of years. Are we going to see that? Are we going to see crypto trade sideways? That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is, it is insane to think that this is not an absolute market crash. 50% is not something that you just joke around with or something that is to be, I guess, looked down upon, right? 50% is 50%. That's half of Bitcoin's value completely, boom, evaporated. Now, another thing to note is we do want to look at, other cryptos as well. And we can see pretty much everything is down insanely. On CoinMarketCap here, I can actually add, I can customize. So this is something I want everyone to, I guess, be familiar with. You can take a look at year to date as well. So we're actually going to look at, we'll look at 90 days. And when we apply changes, we can see over here, boom, down 46%, 20%, 40%, 63% for XRP, 50%, 63%, 67%, 62%. Polygon-matic is doing pretty good, but a lot of coins on my watch list. And even if we just take a look at CoinMarketCap, we can see a lot of things have just completely been obliterated, guys. And again, this isn't due to the fact that news or FUD or the markets. Guys, crypto is just tanking. Okay. Now I want to talk about another thing as well, and this is the top gainers and losers today. So previously, and when I say previously, I mean during like March time, April time, we saw so much hype around crypto. Everyone wanted to get into crypto. Everyone wanted to get into SafeMoon, Dogecoin. There's just so much hype and so much things going on that crypto was buzzing. Everyone wanted to be a part of crypto. It was similar to in January when we had the Wall Street bets, AMC stock and GameStop stock, that whole conundrum. Now, there is really no hype when it comes to crypto right now. Not a lot of people are talking about it. I can even personally say my YouTube views compared to months before are at an extreme low point. And I know there are other YouTubers as well who are much larger than me, like the Meet Kevins, the Graham Steffens, the Andre Jiks. Those guys as well are experiencing a drop in views. And again, not a lot of people are talking about crypto. There's that community that doesn't just exist anymore. Before, you would make a coin, there'd just be so much people just excited, buzzing, and just going crazy about all this stuff. But now there really isn't anything going on. Now, another thing is, it is also summer, right? Even myself, I have been going out more. I have been doing much more things with my life. Obviously, I do believe in working hard and hustling and grinding and whatever, but COVID just finished, right? Things are starting to open up again. I'm able to go outside, see my friends, do things, and actually live life like how life used to be to an extent. So I feel like a lot of people aren't going to be too focused on investing in cryptos or stocks or anything like that. They're more focused on going out, having fun, especially since it's summertime. People are trying to enjoy their weather, enjoy their lives, okay? Now, here is another thing which is kind of sad to say, but who remembers Save the Kids token? Now, I didn't make a video on this because I just didn't want to be associated with drama, and I don't know, I don't really like talking negatively about other people, but there was this whole thing that went on, and a bunch of huge influencers like FaZe people, Rice Gum, I feel like a few other people were involved in this quote-unquote Save the Kids scam. And I'm not going to be talking too much about what happened, but I feel like a lot of people have just gone through scams and rug pulls at this point. And I'm going to be honest, I am 100% part of the problem as well, because sometimes I'll post a coin that ends up getting rugged, and there's nothing I can do about it, and there's nothing that you guys can do about it either. Now, when certain coins do get rugged, it's not like I'm supposed to magically predict the damn future and say, oh yeah, this is going to get rugged in the future. You know, I can share certain coins with you, I can share certain projects and my thoughts, but at the end of the day, it is possible for even SafeMoon to rug pull everyone. And I believe I made a video on this and people ripped me to death. People literally started calling me all these names and said, oh, I don't know what I'm talking about, blah, blah, blah. But I wasn't lying. SafeMoon can literally rug. And again, when I don't call out a rug pull, people tend to come at me. And when you are an influencer or a YouTuber or whatever you want to call us, and we make videos on certain things, we never really win, because if it goes wrong, we get blamed, and if it goes good, we don't really get anything. Like, people might be like, oh yeah, you know, he predicted, you know, SafeMoon, blah, 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 but then you predict one bad coin and then boom, you're the bad guy. Now, with all that, I feel like a lot of people, even including myself, are skeptical, because I've been rug pulled before too, and it's not fun. You know, when I see a cool project, I want to see it actually work long term. But when things get rugged and communities die and projects don't actually complete their pre-sale, it sucks. And not a lot of people want to go through that. And guys, another thing is, everything is saturated now, okay? Look, I'm going to quickly go on CoinMarketCap. I'm going to search Doge, right? Oh, wait, I can't actually search Doge. Okay, here, see all results. Now, look at how much crap there is. And again, I'm not coming at any specific coin here, but look, Daddy Doge, Uncle Doge, Mini Doge, Dogeback, Miss Doge, Mommy Dogecoin, King Doge, President Doge, Little Doge, Baby Starlink Doge, like what the hell? Poly Doge, Baby Doge Inu, Mini Hollywood Doge, Jiju Doge, Doge Moon, Doge, Baby Doge Cash, Mama, like Elon, like guys, the crazy thing is, a lot of these coins I recognize because they have contacted me to make videos for them. So again, when we are looking at this, everything is so saturated. Here, we're going to look at another one because this is also somewhat, I guess, new. Look at Inu, okay? Like, what is this? Look at how many Inu tokens there are. Do you guys really think all these tokens are going to be around in a year? Forget a year. Do you really think these are going to be around within a couple of months? No, definitely not. And, you know, I'm not saying I hope these tokens fail. I hope everyone makes money. I hope everyone is able to prosper and be rich. But let's be real, guys. The crypto market, or when it comes to new coins at least, is extremely saturated. It's so easy to make a new coin. In fact, I could probably make a new coin, have it released, get everything ready within a week. So when everything is like that with the market, when it comes to anything, stocks, crypto, investing, businesses, anything in general, when things get too saturated, it just starts to get ugly. And a lot of people just don't care anymore about the crypto market. Now, overall, yes, I know I'm talking very negative about the crypto market, but I don't think we are done. I do think we're going to have another run in the crypto and stock market when it comes to Q4. At the end of the year, I do think we will have another run. Now, when it comes to Bitcoin, I do think, and again, crypto, I am holding long term. I think it is going to be insane. I think we will see 100K Bitcoin. I think we will see BNB hit $1,000. I think we will see Cake hit at least $100. A lot of the coins that I actually invest in, I do think they will do well. And I know a lot of people are like, Radies, you promote all these shit coins and da-da-da-da, like how, like what are you talking about? Guys, if you guys genuinely want to know what stocks and crypto I am buying and selling, you guys can literally sign up for my alerts and then get exactly that information for just $9 a month. So guys, I don't invest in these shit coins. I don't buy 90% of them. But what I do buy are actual projects that I want to hold long term. Again, even today, I spent around like $3,000 on stocks that I'm going to be buying and holding forever. Now, when it comes to crypto, again, I do think the market is very boring right now. I think we are in a period where a lot of people are kind of unsure. A lot of people are like, okay, are we going to see a bull market again? Are we in a bear market? You know, is this just going to continue? Are we not going to really make any moves? I think there's going to be a lot of catalysts that are coming up in the next couple of weeks that are going to dictate what happens for the rest of the year. And like I said, in my opinion, I am bullish. I'm strongly bullish. I'm still holding all my crypto. I'm not selling. In fact, I'm buying, if anything. And to me, I'm looking at crypto and I'm like, yeah, I can't wait for this to boom in a couple of months or weeks, because I do think that is going to happen. I'm not predicting the bottom. I'm not saying this is the bottom, but when I look at the price of Bitcoin, you know, a 30K Bitcoin, if this baby drops under back to like 25K, that'd be nuts. Now I know a lot of people are speculating, there's FUD, there's news, Elon Musk this, Elon Musk that, the miners, all this stuff with China. But again, when you look at things for a micro level, you're going to get micro results. But I'm looking at it in a macro level. Okay, so I'm talking long term. I want to hold Bitcoin for years and years to come. So again, I don't want to ramble too much. I don't want to bore you guys to death. But what I am saying is, guys, the market right now is pretty shitty. Even with my channel, I'm not making videos as often as I used to because there's just nothing to talk about. Like, what do you guys want me to do? Read SafeMoon tweets again for another video? No, like that gets kind of boring. And quite frankly, I don't want to make videos like that. So that is it for this video, guys. I know I kind of started rambling there at the end, but main points: bear market. There isn't really that much hype and things are getting saturated. So we're going to need some more catalysts. We're going to need something to happen for the crypto market to get back on track and we can see some full steam ahead. Now, guys, that is it for this video. If you did enjoy, let me know your comments down below. Like, leave a comment down below with your thoughts, what you guys think about the market, and I'll be sure to reply to as many comments as I can. We'll have a discussion. Also, I do have a free Discord that you guys can join, link down below. And until next time, guys, remember, stay seeking success.